Hey, hurry up. Okay. We're gonna, mag-restock muna tayo bago tayo mag-the next day. Oh my goodness gracious. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon ay gagawin na natin yung pangalawang episode ng ating Burger Simulator. So, last episode, nakalimutan ko na dapat ay ngayon, hanggang level 10 lang tayo. Dahil umabot tayo ng level 12 bago matapos yung episode. Pero, we're back and andito ulit tayo para makipagbakbakan. Ito na mga orders natin. Gagawa lang tayo ng mga burgers dito. As always. There we go. Yan na. Burgers ulit. There we go. Yan. Okay. Then, ito. Lutuin natin itong fries. Lalagyan ulit tayo dito. And then, ito. Gusto ko may cashier tayo para mas madali. 351. Yan, sir. Hintay lang kayo dyan. Nagkayo naman. Ay, hindi meron din palang cashier. Akala ko, puro card lang nandito. But okay. Yan, sir. So, parang mas dumami yung source of income. Wow, source of income. Okay. 351. Thank you. Parang wala pa lang ata sa yan, okay. So, next is gagawa na ulit tayo ng mga patties. So, meron pa naman tayo ng mga buns. So, carry pa to. Okay. Then, review tayo ng buns. Apat na lang pala yun. Sheesh. Okay. Ay, mali. Nagawa ko. Sayang. Okay. Nag-order lang ako. Wait lang. Hello, sir. 25 yan. And then, wait lang. Yan na. Nalinis ko na. Huwag na kayo mag-please. Yan. Hello, sir. 87. Yan. Okay, next. 686. Ano yung pera natin? Sobrang laki na pera natin. Oo nga. And then, try nito. And pick up 74. Yan. Then, ito. Bibilhin na natin to. Kasi, ala! Nakalimutan ko. Okay. Gabi na agad, guys. No, mali. No. This one. Let's go. Okay, level 18. Ano guys? Hello. 182. And then, punta tayo ulit dito sa mga table. Yan. Tapon na natin to. Satisfying. And then, ito. Don't tell me, nagkulang pa tayo ng buns. Meron na bang buns? Oh my gosh, nagkulang tayo ng buns. Okay. Oh, the price. I forgot. $3.98. The highest possible price that I can get without spending any energy. Let's just refill these up. So, yan. Ay! Wala na tayong buns. Siguro nag-English ako na hindi ko na mapala. Feel ko lang. Oh my god! Satisfying. Thank you. Para makauwi na, diba? Yan. And then, some more. Thank you, sir. Bigay mo space. Promise niyo nagpapakagal. Service. Usually. Okay, and then, yan. Oh, nice. Okay, so obviously, and then, bago tayo mag-stock. Kasi para mag-open ang profit. $16. Okay. Open. Tapos ipapasok lang natin itong mga to. Siyempre. Non-cook. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Kailangan ko din ng cheese. So nga pala, labanan na tayo, guys. Hey, hurry up. Okay. We're gonna, mag-restock muna tayo bago tayo mag-the next day. Oh my goodness gracious. Ang lala! Oh my goodness. Ito ang maganda. Mabilis lang yung delivery. And you're always busy. Okay? That's what I want. Lagi may ginagawa. Okay, ending na natin to. Day 7. Oh man, negative 10. Thanks. Okay, 617. Thank you. And then 7, 14. Thanks. Okay, next. We're level 22. One more level left, guys. And then we're gonna end this episode. 78. Tapos, 12 at 23. Yeah, thank you. Tapos, 222. Thanks. Kayo naman. 571. And then, hapon na 16. Oh my goodness. Okay, 185. Thank you. Tapos, 1354. Thanks. 6. Huh? 6. 37. Yeah, thank you. Ang dami ng reklamo, no? Anyways, ayun na nga. Sana yung, sana yun? Asan na yun? In more buns. Buns din talaga pinaka-importante dito, guys. Okay, level 22, guys. We are done. What is this? Okay. Let's ignore that and continue on the day. Because we still have time left. 4. There we go.
Wow, that was fast.
And I'm gonna order a table for 2. Hello. 525. There you go. Thank you. And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, wow, that was fast.
78. Thank you.
Smooth.
We need to expand next. 496. And then there you go. Okay. I need okay. Oh no, don't tell me I don't have any more. I don't have buns. I don't have buns. Guys, please, I don't have buns. Have mercy. I don't have buns. Hello? I need buns. Hello? This is a table. I don't need this table. I need buns. There we go. Come on, this is taking so long. Why do I have so many potatoes, by the way? Tomatoes, I mean. Why did I say potatoes? There we go. How much is that shit? 90. Okay. I don't have enough money for that. Thank you for the buns. Okay. There you go. We managed to reach level 23. Thank you, sir. We reached level 23, guys. So, I'll take this time to finish the episode. This is the second episode, so if you guys want more, then just tell me and I'll do it, okay? You guys could just comment down below if you want more, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Kasi I will do more of these. Kudos. Bye everyone!